Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about something every new student faces. The first day in college. It's exciting, but let's be honest. It's also easy to make some small, but serious mistakes. So in this video, I'll show you 5 common mistakes international students make on their first day and how you can avoid them. Let's get started. Mistake 1, saying sir or madam to the professor. Many students come from cultures where teachers are called sir or madam. But in American colleges, that's not common. Here, students usually call teachers by their title and last name, like Professor Smith, or sometimes just Dr. Brown. If your teacher says, call me Emily, then it's fine to use the first name. Correct way. Good morning, Professor Smith. Wrong way. Good morning, sir. It sounds too formal in American classrooms. Mistake 2, staying quiet in class. In many countries, students wait for the teacher to ask questions. But in America, participation is a big part of class. Professors expect you to speak, share ideas, and ask questions. Don't be afraid of making mistakes in English. They actually like students who try. Tip: say things like, I have a question, or I think that's interesting because. Mistake 3, not greeting people. On your first day, you'll meet many new people, classmates, teachers, even staff. Ignoring them or staying too quiet can look unfriendly. Just a small smile or simple greeting makes a big difference. Say things like, hey, I'm new here. Hi, I'm from Pakistan. What's your major? Those small lines help you make friends fast. Mistake 4, not understanding classroom rules. Some students don't realize how important classroom rules are in the US. For example, using your phone in class, being late, or eating during lecture. Professors don't like that. Always check the course syllabus. That's the rule book for your class. Tip: if you're unsure, ask politely. Professor, is it okay if I use my laptop for notes? Mistake 5, being shy to ask for help. It's totally normal to feel lost on your first day. Finding rooms, logging into systems, or understanding homework. But in American colleges, people expect you to ask questions. There's no shame in it. Say, excuse me, could you tell me where the library is? Or, can you help me find this classroom? Everyone's been a new student once. They'll understand. Conclusion, takeaway. So remember, your first day doesn't have to be perfect. You'll make mistakes, and that's okay. The most important thing is to be confident, be curious, and speak up. That's how you grow, and that's how you start your college journey strong. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and share this video with someone who's starting college soon.